In the transformation of axis, this is the second concept, rotation of axis. Here, axis is rotating through like this. This is an axis rotating through like this only. It makes equal angle with the both coordinates without changing the origin. In the first transformation of axis means origin must be shifted. Here, origin is same only, position is here only same, but rotation, axis is rotating like this only, with the same equal angles with the x-axis and y-axis. Here, rotation of axis is nothing but the rotating the axis with the same equal angles with the both coordinates. That is called the rotation of axis. Here, you have to remember this table, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. These are the coordinates here. X is equal to x cos theta. We can write like this, y minus y sin theta. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Here again I am explaining, x is equal to, take this value, x into cos theta. Here minus y sin theta. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Whenever the rotation of axis transformation is obtained, then we have to substitute these two equations in the equation. Whenever the rotation is happened, at that time transformed means you have to use these two equations only. X is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. Y is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. You have to substitute these two equations in the given equation. Then we can get the answer where they will give the theta. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Therefore, pi by 4 means pi means 180. 180 by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. From that, we can substitute the values. You can get the equation. Similarly, this is the original equation. Whenever they are saying about that, already they have given the transformed equation only. We are finding the original equation. At that time, x is equal to, capital X is equal to, take like this, capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. X cos theta, y sin theta. Capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta, y cos theta. Here we are finding the transformed coordinates. X is equal to x cos theta, y sin theta. Same, y is equal to minus x sin theta, y cos theta. Whenever the transformed equation, they gave the transformed equation, we are finding the original equation only. Then we can use these two coordinates. They will give the theta value. According to that, substitute the values here. We can substitute these two equations in the given equation. Then we can find the equation. These are the related problems of the rotation of axis. Here, rotated angle is alpha only. We are finding the transformed equation. Here, x cos theta plus y sin theta, sin alpha is equal to p only. We are finding the transformed equation. They gave x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p only. Rotated through an angle alpha. That means here they gave the data is theta is equal to alpha. Theta is equal to alpha. We are finding the transformed equation. That means x is equal to x cos alpha minus y sin alpha. In the place of theta, you have to substitute the alpha only. In the place of theta, we have to substitute alpha. This is the transformed equation. We can find this from through the table only. Cos alpha, cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. From that only we derive these two equations. X cos theta minus y sin theta, x sin theta plus y cos theta. Substitute these values here. They gave that in the place of theta, alpha only. Therefore, theta is equal to alpha. X cos alpha minus y sin alpha, x sin alpha plus y cos alpha. Substitute in the place of x comma y. Here, you have to substitute in the place of x is equal to substitute this value. In the place of y, substitute this value and simplify this. Here, cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha. Here also we can multiply sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Here also we can get the sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha. Whenever the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, you have to substitute that value, then simplify that, you can get the equation. Next problem. Here, rotated through an angle is pi by 4 only. Rotated through an angle is pi by 4. That means pi means 180 by 4. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degrees. 180 by 4 means 45 degrees. They gave the theta is equal to 45. Already they gave the transformed equation only. We are finding the original equation. That means in the place of x comma y, here take the already transformed equation means capital X comma capital Y only. Therefore capital X is equal to, we can take these values. We are finding original equation. Whenever they ask the original equation means you have to substitute these two values only. I derive this from the table, cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. From that I derive these two equations. Therefore x is equal to x cos theta y sin theta minus x sin theta y cos theta. Theta is equal to pi by 4. That means 45 degrees. Substitute the value here. X into cos 45 degrees plus y into sin 45. We know the table from the trigonometry. Theta is equal to 45. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Cos 45 same only 1 by root 2 only. Take the LCM here. Take the LCM root 2 root 2. LCM is root 2 only. Therefore x plus y. Capital X is equal to x plus y by root 2. Similarly y is equal to minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45. Here also sin theta cos theta. Whenever the theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta value 45. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Substitute the values here 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Here same. Here also taking the LCM value root 2 root 2. LCM is root 2 only. Therefore minus x plus y. We got the two values. X comma y values we got it. Substitute these two values here. 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Whenever the x value is x plus y by root 2 whole square, that means expand in the form of a plus b whole square, a square, b square, 2ab. Root 2 whole square, it will become 2 only. Here also same, expand like this, then you can get the a minus b whole square, a square, b square minus 2ab, then you can get simplifying. Here multiply these two equations, x plus y into minus x minus y. Here you can simplify, you can get the answer. Here you need to know the values. Whenever the transformed equation means you have to substitute these two values. Whenever the original equation means you have to substitute these two values only. And simplifying, whenever we got the sin square theta plus cos square theta, you have to substitute is equal to 1. Here theta value 45. From the trigonometry table, we know the values sin theta, cos theta values. Here theta is equal to 45 means 1 by root 2 only. Substitute the values and simplify this. You can get the answer. If you have any doubts in this problem, please pin on the comment section. Then we will know that and we will help the students as per your doubts. Thank you very much.